Hello everyone and welcome to my new video of Python full stack course for beginners. So let's get started. So guys, for setting up VS Code, you just have to quickly make a folder anywhere in your directory and just open the folder in VS Code. You can press Ctrl plus K and Ctrl plus O to open a folder. Like I'm just opening my modules folder and here it comes. So after that, you just have to create this small icon which says new file and just name it main.py. So this will be our main Python file. Now if you remember, a few videos ago I imported a module named random and I said something like import random. Now in order to access the function of this random, I just used to say random dot, like let's say we have got a plentiful of functions like random, rand range and seed, sample and many more. So what if I tell you that this random is nothing but a .py file? Does that mean that we can create our own modules? And guess what? Yes, we can. Just press Ctrl on your keyboard and hover over this. You can see that it creates a link. Now if we press it, it opens another file which says random.py. And you can see all of the functions like rand range, seed, all are there. Like here you can see seed function is there, set seed, get seed. This is just classes. We'll do classes after a few videos. That's how we create modules. Now in order to create a module, we can just quickly get over here and say module.py. This is just the name of a module. You can name it anything, and we created a module. Not exactly, but yeah, soon. So let's create some functions in here like we saw in our random module. Let's make an add function and create two parameters and just print out the sum a plus b. Similarly, I can create a subtract function. I'll just make it subtract and I'll just make it subtract. Okay, so just save this file and head over here and we can say import module. And here you can say I've got a suggestion of the module. Also, what I can do is I can simply say module dot, and here you can see the suggestions comes of add or subtract. Let's add for now and let's give the two parameters, and here we have got the list of the parameters which is a and b. So let's pass any two numbers like let's say 4 and 5, and if we run it, so guys, I have assigned a shortcut for running a .py file. You can simply run from here or you can simply go to here, keyboard shortcuts, and search for run Python file in terminal and assign a shortcut to it. Very simple. And it says 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Similarly, I can subtract and let's pass the parameter 9, 4. And it says 9, which was for the first one, and 5 for 9 minus 4. Similarly, we can import files with some particular name. Like let's say I can import random as like let's say rd, and similarly I can import this module as md. You can name them anything. Just simply I'll make it md, and this also md. Now if I try running it, the result is same. So that's what we want. So we can add as many functions as we want in this module. Similarly, let's create one more file to see in more detail how we can import data. So just name our new file data.py or anything you want, and let's create a list in here, and I'll make a few items in my list, like any numbers, just adding some numbers. And let's create a dictionary here and let's assign some key value pair. I don't know, 50. I just made a couple of key value pairs. So this is our data file. Just save this file and let's import this file. So I'll just say import data. So guys, one more thing to know, that we need not to write .py or .json if you're importing a JSON file. Well, I know you must have figured that out, but yeah, it's my duty to say. Now, as we have imported our data, we can just simply access our data by saying data dot, and you can see we have a list and dictionary. So let's access our dictionary and let's assign it to a variable, and I'll name my variable, let's say dict only. So this is my dict and I've assigned the value of this dict. Similarly, I'll assign my list to this dict. Let's assign the list also. Oh, sorry. And here we go. So we have just made an instance of this list and this dictionary in these variables. So let's access these values. So let's create a for loop for so. I'm just saying for I in my list, and I'll just print out my I. And what else can I do is I can create a for loop for the same. I'll say keys and my values in my dict dot items. So if you remember a few videos ago, I've shown you guys how we can access the values of a dict. We'll just say keys and values, so, and we loop through every item in my dict, which is this. So keys will be this, this, and values will be this, this, and this. Basically this. And after that, I'll just print them out. I'll just say print, and I'll do formatting. And I'll just format them, and for the first parameter I'll say this one, which is keys. Basically the name of the variable is keys, and values. So if I try running it, oh sorry, my bad. And here we go. So all of the items in our list are printed out 1 2 3, and my mistake, no problem. And name Navneet, organization code stacks, age 50, just name my age 50. And similarly we can also do formatting in another way. We can also say f double quotation marks, and we can place one curly braces here and other curly braces here, and we can say values in here and keys in here. So guys, both of them are exactly same, just two different ways of formatting. So let's try running it, and you can say it prints out 2 times. Also, if you don't get what all this is going on, then check out my previous videos. I've explained all of them in great detail. We can also edit the data. We can just simply say, let's take our dict and create a new key, and let's name it what we can say channel, let's say, and we can assign the value like let's say code stacks to my channel. So it is just creating a new key in my dictionary, which was this, and I've just made a new section which names channel and its value is code stacks. And let's try running it now. And here we go. Actually it doesn't updates the value here because it's not JSON. In JSON we can dump the data, but here's no option. We can just create a temporary data for it. Okay, so that's how we import and create our own module. We can create as many functions as we want. In next so videos I'll show how we can create a calculator. Well, I know you guys must have figured how we can create one, but then also I'll make one. Also guys, now we have got a Discord server. You can get the invite for the same in the description. You can listen to music here, set your birthday, and enjoy a plentiful of commands in here, which are search Google, search YouTube, ask any question, and whatnot. Similarly, there are plentiful of more commands. You can have a look at them. You can provide me suggestions here. Also ask for any error related to the languages, get help accordingly. I got suggestion for making a new series for how to make a Discord bot, so I'll try to make it as soon as possible when I'll get time. You can suggest me anything in the suggestions area and join my Discord server, link in the description. Okay, so that's all for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't, subscribe and share for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.